Hi students, welcome again. Here is Elimu Kiganjani EK Academy. We'll be solving this question. It's one of the revision questions we have, dear students. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CB. So we'll be having two parallel lines. So we're gonna have two parallel lines. So the first one is that one, and the second one we have another line there. So basically you make sure that actually they are parallel to each other. So this is AB and the other one is CD, and these two lines are parallel, and QR is transverse. So QR is transverse QR. Okay. So we have sketched now, and we have to label the following angles: corresponding angles of A and B. Corresponding angles of A and B. So there are so many ways actually we can display these angles, but to go straight now, if this is A and that is B, actually A and B are equal, and these are the corresponding angles. Alternate interior angles F and G. Alternate interior angles F and G. So if this is F, dear students, and this one here is going to be G, and these angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles C and D. Vertically opposite angles C and D, dear students. If this angle here is C, angle A again, we are going to put it as angle D. And by this consideration, actually you have vertically opposite angles. Thank you.